How to remove fevikwik or any hard glue that is come onto your fingers. Today I will share with you a very easy tip. To begin with, you'll have to take a bowl or a glass and pour some liquid dishwashing soap in it. Dip your finger which has the glue. Now I have it on two fingers. I'll work on one finger first to show you all the difference. Then add hot water or warm water till your finger can take that temperature. So as and when you feel that the temperature of the water is reduced, you will have to keep on adding hot water because we will need hot water or warm water. The reason is because that hot water will help that glue to get released off from the finger slowly. Now as you can notice, the glue is coming out in a scale kind of format. You see scales on the fishes, in the same kind of way the glue is coming out. Bits by bits will come out in the water as and when you do this chipping off or rubbing kind of action in the water itself. So this is what I'm trying to show you, that the hard part of the glue you can just remove it off from your finger. Again, I have added more hot water because the temperature of the water was reduced, and you'll just keep rubbing that finger which has the glue on it in this way, or you can even slightly scratch it with your fingernail. Don't over scratch it, just use your fingernail a bit to scratch off the layer which is coming out of glue. If you notice, most of it has come out. Keep on doing the same action. I'm not working on the other finger which has glue, only on one finger I'm working, and as you can notice, particles from the glue have already come in water. The blackish thing that you see are the parts of the glue that are falling in water as you're doing this rubbing or scratching action. I washed my hand and see the glue is completely gone from the middle finger. However, the index finger, the glue is as it is. The middle finger is cleared off. Once you have done cleaning your finger, add moisturizer or oil so that the finger does not feel too dry. And friends, if you like this hack, please do share it with others, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting hacks. See you next time on How Hacks.